Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the tools and a clear source text. Install or sign into a TTS engine, pick a neutral voice model to modify, and load a short script to test. Once done, set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and record a reference whisper if possible. This helps match texture. Make sure to enable high-quality synthesis settings. Begin immediately with a short test phrase, so you can hear changes as you tweak parameters. Now shape the voice. Reduce overall amplitude by roughly 6 to 12 dB so the output reads as intimate, and soften sibilant consonants to avoid harshness. Increase breathiness by blending in a low-level noise layer or enable breath synthesis in the engine. Apply a gentle high-frequency roll-off with an EQ and lower pitch by 1 to 3 semitones while slowing rate to about 0. 9. These changes create the characteristic close, airy delivery you want. Iterate and compare short phrases. Finish by rendering short samples and listening on headphones and speakers. Mix adjustments may differ. Apply light compression to even out dynamics, a mild de-esser to tame sibilance, and a tiny room reverb to avoid an overly dry whisper. Once done, batch process your text and save presets. If the result feels too thin or inaudible, boost gain by 3 to 6 dB, recheck sibilance control, and increase breath noise slightly. This one troubleshooting step resolves most whisper clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.